In this video, we are to compute ARIMA of order 323. ARIMA 323. How do we go about that? Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. ARIMA, AR means AutoRegressive Integrated Moving Average. So the autoregressive part is 3, the moving average part is 3, while the integrated part, which is our differencing, is 2. So we recall that ARIMA PDQ. Because if we compare this and this, it will be very easy for you to compute this. So we have ARIMA PDQ, which is the same thing as ARIMA 323. P of order 3, our differencing is 2 there, while our MA order Q is 3. So we can write our model for the ARIMA to be phi P B. To be our differencing, our time series values, and the MA part, which is theta Q B, then ET, which is our error term or our white noise process. Of course, from ARIMA, we note that phi P B is equal to 1 minus phi 1 B1 minus phi 2 B2 minus, it continues like that to give us phi P B. While for our differencing can be written as 1 minus the backward shift D. While our moving average of order Q, which is this part, will be phi Q B to be equal to 1 plus theta 1 B plus theta 2 B squared plus, it continues that way to give us theta Q B Q of order Q. So from our ARIMA model, we have this. This is the model. So how do we compute ARIMA 323? Now we have here of order P. This is our AR model P. We have here our MA part of order Q. This is Q. And our differencing, we have it as D. Our differencing, we have it as D. The AR part, we have it as 3. While the MA part, we also have it as what? 3. So how do we write it? We move over to this side of the board. ARIMA 323. It simply means our autoregressive of order Q. Autoregressive, this is Q, this is Q. Moving average of order, autoregressive of order P. Moving average of order Q. Moving average of order Q. Our differencing is 2. So it then means that our autoregressive part will have it as 1 plus phi 1, okay? 1 minus phi 1 B minus phi 2 B squared minus phi 3 B raised to the power of 3. This is of order 3. That is why we wrote the whole of this. Now, for our differencing part, instead of B, we have 2 here, which is 1 minus B squared, which is the same thing as, for quadratic equation, if we expand this, we'll have 1 minus 2B plus B squared. So that's what we get. Also, For the moving average part of order Q, which is 3, we have theta B to be equal to 1 plus theta 1 B1 plus theta 2 B squared plus theta 3 B raised to the power of 3. So the next thing for we to do is to put this into our model, to write it as our model. This is our model. So we'll write the whole of that as this. Therefore, we bring out this 1 minus phi 1b minus phi 2b squared minus phi 3b3 into our difference thing, which is 1 minus b squared xt. So we succeeded in writing this part. We succeeded in writing this part of our model. Now we have to write that of the MA part, which is, because of space, we start here, equal to, say, 1 plus theta 1b plus theta 2b squared plus theta 3b3, then ET. This ET is our white noise process, or you can call it the error term. Of course, this is how our model will look like. This is the model. Now, we have to rewrite this out properly. Let us take that of the backward shift part, the differencing part. 1 minus b squared xt is the same thing as 1 minus 2b plus b squared xt, which is the same thing as xt minus 2xt minus 1. Because of the backward shift, we are using this to multiply this, plus xt minus 2, which is also equal to xt double prime. So it is this value, it is this we use in writing out our model. So it then means that the model for ARIMA 323, for we to write out ARIMA 323, we move over to this other side of the board to do that. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we can write that as xt. The reason we got this double prime is because we have our differencing to be 2. We have our differencing to be 2. So our model will now be, we are shifting the whole of this over to this other side. So instead of negative sign, we'll have a positive sign. So we can write it as C, which is our constant here, plus phi 1 x t minus 1 plus phi 2 x t minus 2 plus phi 3 x t minus 3 plus this other part. If we multiply our error term with 1, we get ET plus ET, it continues, plus, now we have theta 1 B1, which is theta 1 et minus 1 plus theta 2 et minus 2 plus theta 3 et minus 3. So this becomes our model. This becomes our answer to ARIMA 323. It becomes our answer to ARIMA 323. Of course, we should note that x of difference 2 is the same thing as xt minus 2 xt minus 1 plus xt minus 2. We should note this. So this is simply how we can complete ARIMA models, or this is simply how we can complete ARIMA 323. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.